Welcome to a new episode about the biggest heavy-duty hammer forging process. In this video, I will show you presses for hardened metal processing, from the smallest to the real giants of the metalworking industry. Watch the video to the end, and it will be very hot. In the world of metalworking, forging is one of the oldest and most essential techniques for shaping and strengthening metals. It involves the application of force to a piece of metal, causing it to deform and take on the desired shape. One of the most common types of forging machines is the hydraulic press. These machines apply force through the use of hydraulic cylinders, which press down on a die to shape the metal. While small in size, hydraulic presses can still generate a significant amount of force. As the size of the metal part being forged increases, so does the required force. This is where mechanical presses come in. These machines use a system of flywheels and eccentric shafts to apply tremendous amounts of force to the metal. But even mechanical presses have their limits. When it comes to forging the largest and most complex metal pots, nothing beats a hydraulic forging press. These machines use a hydraulic ram to apply force to the metal, with some of the largest presses capable of generating millions of pounds of force. In fact, the largest forging press in the world is located in China and stands over 20 stories tall. This massive machine can apply up to 80,000 tons of force to a metal part, making it capable of forging even the largest and most complex components. Whether it's a small hydraulic press or a massive hydraulic forging press, these machines play an essential role in the world of metalworking. From shaping everyday objects to forging the largest and most complex metal parts, forging presses are critical to the creation of modern infrastructure and technology. And that's the power of forging presses. From small to massive, these machines are at the heart of the metallurgical industry, shaping and strengthening the metals that make modern life possible. Overall, metallurgy is a very interesting and fascinating industry. The field has been around for thousands of years and has played a crucial role in the development of human civilization. One of the most interesting aspects of metallurgy is the behavior of red-hot iron, which has unique properties that make it a valuable material for a wide range of applications. Here are some interesting facts about metallurgy, the properties of red-hot iron, and the benefits of metal. When iron is heated to a red-hot temperature about 700 to 800 Celsius, it becomes soft and malleable. This allows it to be shaped and formed into a variety of shapes and sizes, making it a valuable material for a wide range of applications. Red-hot iron also has a unique property known as ductility, which allows it to be stretched and deformed without breaking. This makes it ideal for use in applications where high strength and durability are required, such as in construction and engineering. Metal is a highly versatile material that can be used in a wide range of applications. It is strong, durable, and resistant to corrosion and wear, making it ideal for use in everything from cars and airplanes to medical equipment and household appliances. One of the benefits of metal is that it can be recycled over and over again without losing its properties. This makes it a sustainable material that can be used to reduce waste and conserve resources. Another benefit of metal is its ability to conduct electricity and heat. This makes it ideal for use in electrical wiring and heating systems, as well as in a variety of other applications that require the transfer of energy. In conclusion, metallurgy is a fascinating field that plays a crucial role in the development of modern society. The unique properties of red-hot iron make it a valuable material for a wide range of applications, and the benefits of metal extend far beyond its physical properties. Whether you are building a skyscraper or a smartphone, metal is a material that will continue to play a vital role in shaping the world around us. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of interesting epic videos about the heavy industry and big equipment. Like this video and see you soon. Bye.